Hello, welcome to Fernando Philippines. My name is Mark Ryan Torrejas. Studying at University of Bohol, taking up of Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering. For this video, I'm going to pay our boarding house worth 2,000 pesos. This money is from Ate Beth, and I'm very thankful to Ate Beth because she paid our boarding house, and thank you so much thank you so much Ate Beth, the Terrence, for sending this money. This is very big help for us who live in this boarding house, especially because we're students and our school is for so far to our home, and this boarding house is very big help for us students who studying at far from our place. And thank you so much Ate Beth for sending this money, and I hope many blessings to come in your life. I hope God will provide all your needs, and thank you so much. Have a good day. God bless.
Welcome to the Foreigner in the Philippines. For today's video, we have just paid the payment of our boarding house worth of 2,000 pesos. Thank you so much, Tibet Sir Terence, for partially paying our boarding house worth of 2,000 pesos. God bless everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, and God bless.